Welcome back, folks. We're on a mission. We're gonna go to the hunting cabin and pick up some of our old hunting gear that we left up there. So, we're off to the Wisner property. This is Molson, Washington. Top of the top of the top. And we're gonna go to the tippy top to the old cabin. So, I think we can kind of make the roof out right up there. Uh-oh, baby got out. We'll put her back. Try not to start the way we're going in right here. See if I can talk her into coming down here. Just pull up by the gate. Well, we got that cow sorted. It's back in. Luckily, right as I got it back in down there, the FedEx guy was coming down the road pretty good, so he's in. We're in. Let's keep going. Yeah, close this. Stop! No stopping now. The bull will get us. Pretty majestic this year. Let's take the cows to the barn, Mom. Ooh. Hi, big girl. Hi, babies. You want to race? You guys look fast. Yeah, go, go, go. There they go. Hi, babies. How you doing? YouTube star number 33. Almost grumpy. Doing good herding. Hey, hey. Sound like an elk, Mama. We should have put some horns on the roof. Alright, so just up over the hill here, I'll flip the camera around in a second, but there's like a herd of cows flying out of the top of the mountains here. Oh, going up the steep part here. We still have 2 a day? Well, figured I'd ask. Didn't jinx it. I just was kind of surprised we were going up this in the grass. Pretty steep. Camera don't give it justice, but that's where we're coming out of down there in the valley. Oh no! Cabin. Just over the knob here. You would never believe it's there. You'd be like, no, there's no cabin there. But there is a cabin there. It's been there forever. Up the last little section. Make sure you go wide so you can check that rock. I'm kind of up towards that grass patch. Yeah, you can straddle that up. Don't get that rock over there. You got it. We're a little tilted. This is how I'm actually sitting right now, so you guys know. I'm just holding the camera straight for you. Sitting sideways.
Where's this cabin?
It's in the woods. Good push. It's not quite as an angle as the last one. We go to the fence, and then we're gonna run up that hill. And that's where the first settlers, the Wisners, came to. Her people. So you can see them old 2 tracks just there on the hill. And hard to make out. Nobody's been up here since last time I was up there, I think. Where are you going? Let's go that way. See that tire tracks right here? No, I gotta go this way. Yeah. You gotta go up through that little rock cut there. Yeah, that's it. I remember it. Go right like that and around. See how it goes through the bush there. You can't tell that this is a road, but this is a 1920s road. It's not like your city roads. But you can tell, once upon a time somebody drove through here. I'll put you up here. Oh, everything's shifting. Everything's shifting. Coming up her. Did you only, oh Jesus, Historically, did you only imagine 120 years ago how this is your view from your front door? What about today? I had this view one time when we came up there. Told you there's a cabin. See? And I think Ron might have been up here, but he hasn't been up here this season. The grass is still poking up green. Oh, it's more dang. You get to the top of that hill, it's just like rough, rough. That sounds like my old dog. To the gate. Somebody left the gate open, so why not? All right, guys, cut to the door. Well, we made it, guys. Call this God's country. It's so high in the hills that the hills become grass again. Down there, right down there, in the hole, kind of there, is Oroville. My place I'm selling is kind of here on that tree line. So we're at the top of the world. All right, front door's open. It's just as clean as I left it, except for some more mouse poop.
This is our house?
No.
My underarm is sweatshirt. Oh my god.
This is the old cabin.
Look at.
Hey, I paid for that.
Yeah, and these.
Look at all our stuff in here.
And these nice
We
bed.
brought up quite a bit.
And these nice bed.
No, that's my pop-up one. But yeah, that's the cabin. 100-something plus years old. Still looking great. Gotta love the old Rainier beer. Mountain Fresh.
Ouch.
I don't know, I just found it really nostalgic. When we first made it here, like our first journey here, was almost like a mission to the end of the earth. And we were going hunting. And when we found it, we thought it was going to be way worse. It actually turned out to be really cool. A little bit of paraffin from the last time we were up here. Looks like we finished most of it.
Oh, Dad, what is this?
There's a compass, so you don't get lost, buddy. Always tells you north. See? And the hole like that, it'll tell you how to get home. These are very useful in the woods up here. That's why we leave all that good stuff there. All right, let's help Mom get this place cleaned up a little bit and get our stuff out of here. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, help me do that. That was a fun trip, wasn't it?
Bye, YouTube.
We're going back down. See you in town. Forgot to mention, when you got to go to the body, you got to go out to the John. This will give that drive up a little more justice, so that's what we came up through the valley here. Kind of snuck up that way after the pasture. And if anybody knows about driving through fields, it's very, very slick because of the grass. I don't know what it is about it, but grass and being on the side of a hill, you just don't get any traction out unless you're really hauling butt. And to do that, you got to beat the crud out of your rig. We don't want to do that.
What goes up must come
Water's a
down.
rarity.
How many
Elk are
horses
running.
are there? horses.
That's awesome.
It's about a pack of 100 elk there, just heading up over the ridge. Danielle's head's right in the way, but they just went right up across there.
I said bye.
Maybe, if we're lucky, we'll catch them back by the highway.
Bye.
You can kind of see them there. Yeah.
Mr. Black.
And get out of the road. Get out
Get out.
of there. Babies are so small, they don't even got tags on
Oh,
them.
look at that one. It's just tiny.
Just a baby, look at it.
So small. So cute. Please, little guy, you don't want to get on the road. Come on. It's okay. Mama's going to go slow.
Mama cow's telling them, come on, I want some milk.
Look at that. It's just so little, so huge.
Little babies.
Yeah.
Mama, get out the road.
There's some people.
We'll blur that. Come on, girls, out the road. Oh, now you want to get up, princess. I think that one's a bull for sure. Look at, he's ready to stand us off. Well, go on. Don't be denting up my truck. Just behave.
Hi, Mama.
I'm on my cow.
Hey.